Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. Ready for some maintenance tips this week? Let's start with some updates. Be sure that your website is running the latest WordPress core version 5.3.2. It was released mid-December. If you need WP and LearnDash have released some security fixes, make sure you have those updates as well. All Valet clients have been using the latest plugin versions. Next, let's dive into spam comments. Do you regularly clear yours? If you have a lot of spam comments on your site, it's easy to clear that up. You can approve, edit, or mark as spam a comment. You can also search for keywords related to spam comments, filter them out, and then you can bulk delete spam comments. Quick tip: use the screen options menu at the top so you can bulk select more spam comments. That's it for this week. Have a wonderful weekend.